So if you want to solve a first degree equation, so that means the degree of the variable x is actually 1, using a scientific calculator is possible. So this model, CASIO fx-115ESPLUS, is able to solve equation for you for the first degree. The second degree is actually in the other mode setting, so that I will be doing another video on that. So let's see how am I going to solve this equation. For sure, if you do it by hand, it'll be faster. Imagine you have a really complicated first degree equation. You have a lot of x here and there, and then it's actually a little bit messy on some of the fractions and all this stuff. Then maybe it would actually help you to verify using this calculator. Okay, but I'll show you with a simple example so that it's easier to understand. So for sure, if I work it out, so I will have 3x minus 2x on this side, and I have 5 minus 7 on that side, because I just bring it to the different sides to group the like terms, right? So I'll have x on this side, and this is minus 2. So what I do if I want to verify with my calculator, if I actually do it correctly, so I would have to actually use 2, and then use the alpha. You see all the letter in red in this calculator is basically you can use them as a variable. So I will use x so that it will be easier for us to understand alpha x here. 2x plus 5, then there's an equal sign. Equal sign, we have that here. So alpha equal 3 alpha x plus 7. Now, how do we solve x now? There's actually a button called solve, which is next to equal sign, right? So I'll have to press shift because this is actually in brown, right? Solve is in brown, so I press shift solve. Now, the value here is basically random, okay? It's basically the value that you had in x before. So you don't really need to know or change any value in this. So you just need to press equal again. So I'll have x equals to minus 2. And that's basically my answer here. So this is how you solve a first degree equation with a scientific calculator. So if you like the model of this calculator, you can always get it from the link below. And it's CASIO fx-115ESPLUS.